Hi guys, welcome to my June kit. This episode will be to cover the classic margarita or daiquiri. So for the classic daiquiri or margarita, it's lime, and you can use either rum and make a daiquiri, or we can use tequila and make a margarita. So our ingredients that we're going to use today will be the heavy simple syrup, the rich simple syrup, the lime, and we're going to use some lemon. You don't have to use lemon. I like adding a little bit of lemon, and I'm giving you enough that you can certainly do that. And tequila. If you have triple sec, you can also use triple sec, but it is not a part of the thing. First, we have to start with rimming our glass. Traditionally, you rim it with kosher salt, which is what we have right here. So we're gonna take our lime, we're gonna go around the glass, make sure it's nice and wet, and we're gonna go slowly all night. We have a nice salted rim. If you like a lot of salt, you can get the whole thing wet and rim it like flat and get all wet and get it all rimmed. If you don't like salt, you can skip this step. Or if you want to try it with the lemon sugar, go right on ahead. So now that we have a salted rimmed glass, we will take our shaker. Remember, you can use anything you want. You can use even a closed jar, you can use a thermos, you can use a water bottle, anything that seals and you can shake, you can use. Or you can actually also blend this if you want. So there's a couple of different possibilities. Classic is not blended, classic is shaken, so we will shake. So first thing we do, we're going to put in some ice. Now, if you're not using triple sec, I would go ahead and just use a tiny bit more tequila, just to give it that balance. Next, we'll take our rich simple syrup. This we will use 1.5 ounces of. Next, we're going to use our citrus. We're going to take it, and we're going to roll it. And this is going to get the juices flowing. That was a lot of juice. Maybe I'm not going to use as much lemon because that was a lot. Next, we're going to cut a little bit of lemon. I don't want to use a lot of it, so I'm only just going to cut like maybe that much. And now we're finally ready to shake it. Who doesn't love shaking a drink? So, do we remember our technique from last month? Or maybe you weren't a part of this last month. We take our top, so I need to actually pat it down until I hear a click, but not whack it. If I whack it down, it will not come off easily. And pat it down. Then we turn it over this way, so that's actually covering the chest area, and we just shake. So now, it's locked. We need to unlock it. I can whack it against the table, I can do all kinds of things, but that might shatter this. So first, we're going to put it on a solid surface. Then, put your hands on the side. Put your thumbs upright. And slowly push with your thumbs. It comes right off. Now I just like to use the ice that's in here, so I'm going to do a dirty pour for this particular margarita, because I don't think it's going to last very long. But if I was going to drink this very slowly, I would put more ice in here and strain it. So using the ice in here, the ice will melt faster. Just a trick. Okay. And we have a classic margarita or a daiquiri. Cheers. Oh. There's a reason classics are classics. It's absolutely delicious. You garnish that with the lime. Cheers.